I purchased one of the most inexpensive dash cams from Amazon, the Veement V300. Is it any good? Let's see. I think it's worth noting that just because something is inexpensive doesn't always make it a good value. If the item doesn't do what it is supposed to do, there is zero value in it, no matter how much it costs. And not only does it have to do it, it has to do it well, and it has to do it consistently. It's important to keep expectations at a reasonable level. A lot of these units, they sacrifice some sort of quality or even night vision for that matter, and that can be a deciding factor right off the bat. I went ahead and picked this up because I wanted to know, and I need one. So let's see what we get in the box, and then we're gonna play around with it and see what kind of quality we get out of it. The big one for me is, can I read license plates? Does it keep a consistent frame rate? Is the quality decent? And does it function well at night? That's the big four for me. Let's get started. Here's the box for the Veement V300 1296p dash cam from Amazon. Not really a whole lot going on with the box, so let's move on to the inside. Inside the box, there it is. And there's that. And in this zipper pouch, you have the 12-volt power source that will power the dash cam. And this is a plastic trim tool to run your cable through your trim, so you can kind of hide it out of the way. Here's a quick connection guide, so you can get the app to connect to this camera, and it tells you exactly how to do that. You can kind of see what's going on here. Very straightforward. Nice. And there's nothing on the other side. This is it. This is the whole unit right here. I don't really know how I feel about not having an LCD, but we'll see. There is a slot for an SD card and a USB-C, which this connects to. Gonna get this installed and put some footage on this video, so make sure you stay to the end. Really, take some time, watch the footage that I'm gonna provide, and see if this is for you. Comment down below, do you have this unit, or do you have one you'd like to recommend? I know dash cams are pretty big right now, and there's quite a few people looking for them. So let's help each other out. List some models down below and why you chose that. This dash cam, or at least the way I purchased it, does not come with any kind of storage. So I purchased this SanDisk 64 gigabyte card.
Please press the power button to format your memory card. Formatting the memory card. Formatted. Start recording.
And just like that, it is recording. Okay, so all I did was peel the adhesive backing off and stuck it to my windshield. You can kind of see that I ran it up and behind my headliner and down the pillars. And I just plugged it into the 12-volt circuit. This is just to keep your installation as clean as possible. I have my dash cam set to record 3-minute files. So basically, every 3 minutes, it creates a new file. The issue is that the files are large. Now, during the day, it is a wonderful camera. You could see the oncoming lanes on the interstate across the median. You could see the cars and trucks in front of us. And I want to say the frame rate was pretty remarkable as well. It works well enough. Overall, I was actually very surprised with how well it operated. I would have liked to get a little more clarity out of the picture, but I'm very impressed with it, especially at this price point. I mean, this dash cam costs me under $30. And the important thing is, if something happened, this dash cam would have caught it. I am sure there are a lot worse dash cams that cost a lot more than this. So not too bad. Really not too bad at all. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this one. I hope you got some value out of it. And if you did, please smash that like and subscribe button and comment down below. Let me know what you think of this dash cam. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels, and hope to see you on the road.